हा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. An electric dipole consists of two opposite charges, each of magnitude 2 microcoulomb, separated by 3 centimeter. So therefore take this given data. 2 microcoulomb separated by 3 centimeter. The dipole is placed in an external electric field of 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb. So first we can write the given data according to this problem. This one is based on electric dipole. हा इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोलवर बेस आहे. दोन चार्जेसचा मॅग्निट्यूड दिलेला आहे 2 मायक्रोकुलम. किती? 2 मायक्रोकुलम. सो दॅट इज 2 into 10 to the power 6. 2 into 10 to the power 6 coulomb. Micro means 10 to the power 6 coulomb. Is separated by 3 centimeter. So that is a twice L is a 3 centimeter. Means we know about 3 centimeters. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. CGS unit convert into ESI unit. And again the dipole is placed in an external electric field. So now this is kept in external electric field. So that is given 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. So Newton per coulomb is the SI unit of electric field. Electric field is SI unit I. Okay. Delay. So now what is question? The maximum torque exerted by the field on the dipole. Maximum torque. So we know about the maximum torque. So that generally formula, what is a torque? Torque acting on dipole. Torque first one. Torque acting on dipole is, so tau is equal to, write all in magnitude form, PE sin of theta. So here maximum torque, therefore tau max is equal to, so maximum torque will obtain when theta equal to 90 degree. Take theta, here put theta equal to 90 degree. So that is a maximum torque. So therefore tau max is equal to, means maximum torque is equal to PE sin 90 is 1. So tau max is equal to, what is P? Electric dipole moment. So that is Q into 2L into E. So tau max is equal to, Q is how much? 2 into 10 to the power 6 into, then again the distance is given. So that distance is 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter, 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. So there is a 2 into 3. So that is a 6 into 10 to the power 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. So that is 4. So therefore tau max is equal to, tau max is equal to 6 into 10 to the power, that is 6 minus 2, that is 10 to the power 4. So this one is a Newton meter. This one is a Newton meter. What is electric field? Electric field is a 10 to the power 5. Okay. Sorry, P is ala, E is ala. Sorry, E is there. So that is 10 to the power 5. So again 10 to the power 5. So tau max is equal to, so here 2 micro na. So that is micro means 10 to the power minus 6. Here minus 6 is there. So minus 6, here minus 6 and here minus 2. So that is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5. So that is minus 3. Tau maximum, torque maximum is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 unit Newton meter. How much? It is a Newton meter. काय नाही मायक्रो मगा सो इथं मायनस राहिलं होतं, हे मायनस घेतलं आणि इथं 2 × 10⁻⁻, आणि हे 2l -2 म्हणजे -8 प्लस 5 गेले म्हणजे -3. सो 6 × 10⁻³ न्यूटन मीटर. सो नाव दिस वन इज a first answer. So this one is a first answer. So when you can solve all these and here, then the final answer is first problem, maximum torque is 6 × 10⁻³ . Now what is second problem? The external work will have to do in turning the dipole through 180 starting from theta equal to 0. Means here for second case we have to external work. Okay, so work is equal to, we know about PE, so that is cos of theta 0 minus cos of theta. Okay, so now here theta 0 you can start from, take theta 0 is equal to 0 and theta is equal to how much? 180 degree. Substitute this value in above equation, so we get PE is equal to cos of 0 minus cos of 180. So W is equal to PE cos 0. So cos 0, that is 1 minus cos 180 minus 1. So W is equal to PE into 1 minus plus 1 plus 1. So that is W is equal to 2PE. So W is equal to 2 into P. P is Q into 2L into E. What is E? What is E? E is this 10 to the power 5. Yeah, E is E. W is equal to 2 into, what is Q? 2 into 10 to the power -6. What is 2L? 3 into 10 to the power -2. What is E? 10 to the power 5. So now this one is there. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3. Q is 2 micro and this 3. Okay, correct. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. So W is equal to 12. And what about power? -6 -2 -8 झाला. -8 plus 5 किती? -8 plus 5 -3. 12 into 10 to the power -3. It is unit joule. So 12 into 10 to the power -3 joule. 12 into 10 to the power -3. अलग लक्षात? काही शंका? सोपं आहे बरं का. यामध्ये मागाचा जो आला होता, जो 6P आला होता ना, तो टॉर्क आला होता, तोच आपण इथं पुढं थोडं सॉल्व केलेलं आहे डबल. ओके, ठीक आहे. सो नाव दिस इज द वे. म्हणजे यामध्ये हे असं सॉल्व केलं. क्यू म्हणजे किती? 2 into 10 to the power -6 आणि 2Lची किंमत किती? 3 into 10 to the power -2. हे लिहिलं, हे 2 इकडचा आणि हे असं लिहिलं, सॉल्व केलं. 3 into 2 6 into 2 12 इथं लिहिलं आणि -6 -2 -8 plus 5 -3. So this is the work answer. Okay, today you can stop.